What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about RCBC Hexagon Club Privilege Platinum Mastercard or RCBC Hexagon Club Platinum Mastercard. Pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits at saka yung application requirements. At the same time, yung fees and charges. Kasi lahat ng credit card guys, of course, kahit sabihin mo natin na yung credit card na yan is no annual fee for life, may mga fees and charges pa rin yan. Kaya naman yan yung pag-uusapan natin sa vlog na ito para maintindihan natin. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So, uunahin ko na guys kung paano nga ba magkaroon ng ganitong klase ng credit card ni RCBC, which is itong Hexagon Club Privilege Platinum Mastercard. So, I did research regarding this credit card guys. To get an RCBC Hexagon Club credit card, you must meet the following requirements. First is be an RCBC account holder. So, unang-una yun yung kailangan nyo. Kailangan yung mag-open ng account sa RCBC. Then, maintain a minimum average daily balance or ADB. Pag sinabing ADB guys, average daily balance yun in your RCBC checking or savings account. So may certain amount siya guys or minimum amount na kailangan yung i-maintain para ma-qualify kayo for RCBC Hexagon Club Privilege Platinum Mastercard. Then, sign the Hexagon Club enrollment forms. Of course, may mga enrollment forms yan. Then, andito yung sinasabi na ADB requirements, which is yung average daily balance. In short, yung kailangan yung i-maintain na pera sa loob ng RCBC account ninyo. Hexagon Club Privilege, maintain an ADB or average daily balance of at least 100,000 pesos. So kung gusto nyo guys na mag-initiate si RCBC ng ganitong klase na credit card, which is itong RCBC Hexagon Club Platinum Mastercard, kailangan yung i-maintain sa inopen yung savings account yung 100,000 pesos para mag-initiate sila ng credit card na ganito. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo naman na Hexagon Club Prestige yung i-initiate sa inyo ni RCBC or yung i-issue sa inyo, ibigay in short, maintain an ADB or average daily balance of at least 500,000 pesos. Yun yung kailangan yung i-maintain para mag-initiate si RCBC ng ganitong credit card. Other requirements, RCBC may review your account to ensure you meet the ADB requirements. Yes, mahigpit sila sa ganong pamantayan guys. Mahigpit sila sa sinasabing ADB or yung average daily balance. You may be charged fees if you don't meet the ADB requirements. So, dapat maging aware kayo kasi may posibilidad na matcha-charge kayo if hindi na maintain yung sinasabing average daily balance requirements. So, ganito kasi yung eksena dyan guys. Kailangan yung mag-open ng savings account. So, punta kayo ng RCBC. So, para magkaroon kayo niyan, kailangan yung mag-provide ng 100,000 to maintain that said ADB, which is hindi nyo dapat galawin yung pera hanggat hindi nila ini-issue yung credit card na yon. Kasi pag ginalaw nyo yon, tapos chinek nila, wala na, natanggal na kayo sa sinasabing Hexagon Club. It's because kapag nag-open kayo ng savings account sa RCBC at nilagyan nyo ng 100,000 at nag-agree kayo dun sa enrollment form para maitag kayo as Hexagon Club member, yun yung way para mag-initiate sila ng ganong credit card. So, sana na-clear ko yun sa inyo guys. Then ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits ng RCBC Hexagon Club Privilege Platinum Mastercard. As you can see guys, Hexagon Club Platinum Mastercard enjoy a life full of rewards. The RCBC Hexagon Club Platinum Mastercard, it's a premium credit card that comes with a Hexagon Club Privilege membership given to the qualified members, subject to credit evaluation. Hexagon Club members can enjoy no ATM withdrawal fees and waive branch fees. So, sinasabing branch fees guys, kapag nag-transact kayo sa ibang branch ng RCBC, walang charges yun. It's because naka-waive kapag kayo ay RCBC Hexagon Club member. With an RCBC Hexagon Club Platinum Mastercard, enjoy flexible non-expiring rewards points on all your purchases. So, yung rewards points ng RCBC Hexagon Club credit card guys is non-expiring points po siya. Plus, enjoy waive annual fees for life. So, wala po itong annual fee, itong RCBC Hexagon Privilege Platinum Mastercard. Then, let's talk about features and benefits. Budget management, only installment. Convert your straight purchase to installment for up to 36 months. So, yung mga pinurchase ninyo guys, pwede nyo i-convert up to 36 months para kahit pa paano gumaan yung babayaran ninyo Only pay anyone, anytime via real-time funds transfer using your RCBC credit card. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung credit card ninyo guys or credit limit to pay off debt to someone. Easy terms, enjoy worry-free shopping with 0% installment for up to 36 months. So, may mga offers silang buy now, pay later which is up to 36 months, 0% interest siya guys using this Hexagon Club Privilege Platinum Mastercard credit card ni RCBC. Balance transfer, consolidate your credit card bills in one card. So, pwede nyong i-balance transfer kung meron kayong ibang balance sa credit card ninyo. Pwede nyong i-transfer dito sa RCBC Hexagon Club Privilege Platinum Mastercard ninyo para isahan na lang yung babayaran nyo or isa na lang yung iintindihin ninyo. Then, free travel insurance and purchase protection, access to world-class airport lounges. So, nandito guys, ang nakalagay dito is relax and freshen yourself before your flight in modern and cozy lounges with complimentary snacks and beverages and convenient facilities such as free Wi-Fi, charging, shower, and room. Kasi guys, kung kayo ay isang RCBC credit card holder kayo, which is yung RCBC Hexagon Club Privilege Platinum Mastercard, may access kayo sa lounges sa airports, guys. And rewards, points, air miles, fly for free to redeem your destination sooner. So, pwede kayo makakuha ng free tickets, guys, airplane tickets, using your RCBC credit cards, air miles. So, how does it work? Paano ito gumagana? Convert your rewards points into RCBC credit card air miles, which you can redeem for your choice of mileage. Mabuhay Miles, Philippine Airlines, Asia Miles, Cathay Pacific, or Air Asia points. There are no limits on how many RCBC credit card air miles you can earn and they will never expire. Itong tatlo na to, yun yung partner nila guys. Yung Mabuhay Miles, yung Philippine Airlines, at saka yung Cathay Pacific. Then next natin pag-uusapan is yung cash loan. Take an extra cash you need for your future plans. So, pwede nyo i-convert yung credit limit ninyo into cash para mabayaran nyo yung iba nyong kailangan nyong bayaran. Then, fees and charges, membership fee principal, free for life. Then, membership fee for supplementary, free for life for up to 3 supplementary cards and 1,800 pesos each for after 3 free supplementary credit cards. Then, yung interest rates niya guys is 3% din. Then, yung retail monthly effective interest is 3% din. Yung cash advance fee is 200 pesos or $3. Late payment fee is 850 or $17 or the unpaid minimum amount due, whichever is lower. Over limit, so kailangan nyo maging aware guys kasi may over limit fee si RCBC, 600 pesos or $12 to be charged at any time when the outstanding balance plus unbilled installment exceeds the permanent credit limit. So kapag na-max out ninyo yung credit card ninyo, tapos nag-swipe kayo, magpo-push through yun, maging aware kayo sa credit limit ninyo kasi may over limit fee si RCBC at mahirap yun kasi 600 pesos yung i-charge sa inyo at malaki din yun kahit papano. Card replacement fee is 500 pesos or $10, 1,000 for RCBC, Visa Infinite, and RCBC World Mastercard. Refund processing fee is 150 pesos or $3 for every refund request of any overpayment. So, kapag nag-overpayment kayo sa credit card niyo, gusto niyo ipa-refund, 150 pesos yung charge per transaction. Then, yung balance transfer processing fee is 250 pesos. Balance conversion processing fee is 250 pesos din. So, I think that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So, it's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Yun lang po. Bye-bye!